In this video, we will learn how to delete all friend requests on Fortnite fast and easy. So if you want to delete all your pending friend requests all at once without any hassle, you can simply do that in Fortnite. In order to do that, click on the profile picture icon on the top right hand side of your screen, then head to the settings menu. After that, you need to head to the accounts and privacy tab. From here, scroll down to the social privacy section. In here you'll find friend invite permission. All you need to do is set it to no one, then hit apply and OK. And as you can see, it also says that this may remove pending invites. So now we'll just go back to our friend invitations. And as you can see, there is 0 friend invites in here right now. So all of the friend invites have currently been deleted and removed successfully. So this is how you can easily remove all of your friend invitations all at once without any hassle. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.